So, 5 for Fighting 43 here. Here's the 7th batch coding tutorial. Okay, so today we're going to be working on using more sophisticated variables. Basically a variable that can be controlled throughout the entire game, not necessarily part of a specific window or, yeah. Okay, so first of all, as you already know, start with echo off. Now what you do different this time is, other than your regular stuff, like color OA 0A, mode 1000. The different thing that you would want to do would be to set. I'm just going to give an example. I've used this in games before. Money equal to, and then you hit a start number, 10. So right here I'm setting a variable for the entire code, and I'll demonstrate right now how to use that. So I'm going to just do a simple start tap, and yeah. So, sorry, forgot to write CLS. Echo this would be like in a game scenario. You have pros. So what you do is dollars, and then you write percent money percent. Now I'm only using the $sign in the fact that I used money. You don't have to use this $sign as part of the code if it's health, for example, of a character in your game. But I'm using the $sign there because it'll display the number where percent money percent is. Okay, so then now it'll display the variable when the game is saved or opened, etc. However, if you want to change it, there is a couple ways to go about. So, I'm just trying to think of a scenario. Okay, so I'm just not gonna do a scenario. Screw it. What I'll do is I'll just do an example. So, pause, enter, set money. I'm sorry. No, I forgot. Set /a money. You type the variable, and like we used last episode, you use the /a instead of /p, equals, and then what you do is you do percent money percent. I'm gonna subtract an amount from it minus. Now I'm gonna use the percent random variable that we have talked about in a previous episode. And then I'm gonna choose a so basically what this will do, let me finish this line of code. It'll subtract anywhere from 5 to 3. Okay, so basically what this line of code is, it tells the computer to set the money variable, which is this right here, and it changes this 10 to something else. What it's doing is the money right here, which is the variable, it's changing this right here, and it's subtracting a random amount from it minus anywhere from 5 to 3, which is this part selected here. So basically it's randomly selecting a number between 5 and 3. Now you can also just do a set number or add a set number or a random number. It doesn't really matter, so I could simply change this to minus 5, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just leave it like that. Now then, to prove that this actually works, I'll do go to begin. I forgot to set the language. I apologize for that. So, yeah, now it's like that. And then, now I'll start my new class, begin. I'll make this easy. So, I'll just Control C. Okay, so now it'll tell me how much money I have. again. And right here, you know it changes, so you'll be able to see that it changes. Now in a moment, I will save it to my desktop. Okay, so save. Now see this file, it's right here. Here, I'll full screen it. You have $10, and see, now I have 3. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So basically what it did was it changed it to 3 or 5. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up our tutorial on how to use more advanced variables. Thanks for watching, and I hope you continue to watch this series.